So we have some logarithmic equations that led to simultaneous equation. You see, you are asked to solve this to get x and y, okay, and we're going to solve them simultaneously. All right, so the first thing to do here is, let's name this as our equation 1 and equation 2. Now we apply elimination method to get our solution real quick. Okay, now applying elimination method, you look at this, which of these, either x or y, is easy to eliminate. Now if you look at this very well, you see that x is easy to eliminate because this x in equation 1 and the one in equation 2 are having the same coefficient, okay, and therefore they are easy to eliminate. So I can say equation 1 minus equation 2, and when I do that, it means that this minus this, this minus this, this minus this, okay. So if I do that, I will now have to eliminate x, okay. So how do I go about it? We subtract. This minus this is out, so this is out, okay. Now you have log base 10y minus 2 log base 10y, okay. Just look at this as the same thing, just that the coefficient here is 1 and here is 2, so you have 1 minus 2, you have minus 1, so that means this is minus log base 10y, and this is equals to 4 minus 3 is 1, okay. So here you have minus log base 10y equals to 1. Okay, so for you to get y, what would you do? First of all, let's divide here by minus 1, divided by minus 1. This cancels this. You have log base 10y is equals to minus 1. So let's write this in indices. How do you write it in indices? This is y is equals to 10 raised to power minus 1, okay, and this is the same thing as 1 over 10 or 0.1, okay. Any of these is the value for y. Okay, so now since we've gotten a value for y, either this or this, now since we've gotten value for y, then we put it in any of this equation to get x, okay. So let's use equation 1 to get it. So from equation 1, you have log x base 10 plus log y. Now what is your y? Let's use it as this, 10 raised to power minus 1 base 10 equals to 4, okay. So applying one of the laws of logarithm, that when we have the power here, this power can come down to this side, okay. So you have log base 10x, then here is minus log 10 equals to 4. Now what is this? Log, any log of a number to the same base is 1, so this is 1, okay. So you have log base 10x minus 1 equals to 4, okay. So you take this outside, so you're going to have that this is log base 10x is equals to this, going outside you have 4 plus 1, this is minus 1, crossing here is plus 1, so 4 plus 1 is 5. So you have log base 10x equals to 5. So you write it in indices. How do you write it? You have that x is equals to 10 raised to power 5. So the value of our x, so therefore x is equals to 10 raised to power 5 and y is equals to 10 raised to power minus 1, okay.